Hi guys!
My name is Nura Aidanisa. You can call me Aida.
My name is Zati Alia. You can call me Zati.
And my name is Nura Aini binti Syafruddin. You can call me Aini. So we are from Group 10. So today we want to present about
Compound interest and
Annuity.
Hari plan to save for a future expenses by depositing 25,000 in a bank account that offers 7% compounded every 2 months. After 2 years, he decided to reinvest the amount he has accumulated into another account that offers 6.5% per annum, compounded every 4 months for another 3 years. Calculate the total amount Haris will have at the end of 5 years. Solution for question 1 is first we need to find S. The formula is S equal P 1 plus K per M power of MT. After that, we substitute the relevant number into the formula and we get is S equal 287 ringgit 55 cents. Then we use the same formula to get the next answer is S equal 34,847 ringgit 56 cents.
Part A question 2. Ms. Damia takes a loan of 120,000 ringgit from a finance company to be repaid after a certain time. She has been given 2 options. Option 1, interest rate of 4% per annum compounded annually. Option 2, interest rate of 3.9% per annum compounded half yearly. She plans to repay the loan after 4 years. So the first question is calculate the total amount Ms. Damia must repay under option 1 and option 2 after 4 years. So for the option 1, we use the formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus K divided M, the power of MT. So in the question, we got the value of P, which is 120,000 ringgit, the value of K, which is 4%, and we change it to 0.04, the value of M, which is compounded yearly, 1, and the value of T, which is 4 years. And we put all the amount in the formula, and it became S equals to 120,000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided 1, the power of 1 times 4. So the answer we got is 140,383 ringgit and 3 cents. The next question is calculate the total interest paid under each option separately. So in this question, we use the formula 1 equals to S minus P for each option. Just now we got the answer for S and we just minus with the value of P. So it becomes I equals to 140,383 ringgit and 3 cents minus 120,000 ringgit and it became 20,383 ringgit and 3 cents. So the next option, we also use the same formula and the value of S we took from the previous question, which is I equals to 140,048 ringgit and 70 cents minus 120,000, and the answer is 20,048 ringgit and 70 cents. For the next question, by how much is one option more economical than the other? Show the difference clearly. So in this question, they just want to see the value of S with option 1 and option 2. So we just minus with amount of S, which is 140,383 ringgit and 3 cents minus 140,048 ringgit and 70 cents, and we got the difference is 334 ringgit and 33 cents.
Question D. If Ms. Damia choose option 2 but repay the loan after 3 years instead of 4, calculate the amount she would repay. Here, we use formula S equal P, 1 plus K per M power of MT. After that, we substitute the relevant number into the formula but we change the T with 3 years. and we get the answer as equal RM134,742.51.
Part B, question 1. Sarah opened a saving account for her son's education when he was 3 years old. The account paid 3.5% compounded monthly. Every month, she will deposit RM150 into the account until her son reaches 70 years old. A. Find the amount in the account when Sarah's son is 17 years old. B. Calculate the amount of interest when Sarah's son is 20 years old if they never withdraw any money from the account. Question A. Find the amount in the account when Sarah's son is 17 years old. From the question, we get the R is 150, the M is 12, the K is 0.035, and the T is 17 minus with 3, and we get 14 years. For question A, we use formula S equal R, 1 plus K per M power of MT, minus 1 divided K per M. After that, we insert the formula into the question and we get the answer is S equals to 32,459 ringgit 27 cents. Question B. Calculate the amount of interest when Sarah's son is 20 years old if they never withdraw any money from the account. At first, we need to find the S. The formula is S equal P, 1 plus K per M power of MT. After that, we substitute the relevant number into the formula and we get the answer is S equal 36,047 ringgit and 35 cents. To get the interest, we need to use formula I equal S minus MTR. After that, we get the answer is I equal is 30,647 ringgit and 35 cents.
Question 2, Part B. Mr. Wong purchased a car at 131,250. He paid 20% as a down payment and the rest was financed by Bank AC at an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The loan will be repaid by monthly installment for 8 years. Question A. Find the amount of his monthly installment. At here, we use formula A equals R. 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n per I. For the cash price is 131,250 ringgit. For the down payment, 0.2 multiply with the cash price and we get 262,250 ringgit. For the balance, cash price minus with down payment and we get 10,500. For the K is 0.045 and the M is 12. After that, we use the formula into the question and we get the answer is R equals 130 ringgit and 44 cents. Question B. Right, after making his monthly payment at the end of the 6 years, Mr. Wong decided to discharge the remaining debt by making a single payment. So, how much he paid to settle the loan? At first, we use formula S equal R, 1 plus I power of n per I. For the T, 8 minus 6 and we get 2 years. To get the n, we need to calculate 12 multiply with 2 and we get 24. After substitute the number into the formula, we get the answer 3,296 ringgit and 35 cents.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Go!